Hello YouTube, this is my welding cart modification. I put it on a little, they call it like a furniture dolly cart. I'll have a picture of the original looking way it is. It just wasn't wide enough. It had little caster wheels in the front, and the wheels, the back wheels are on the outside of the frame, and the caster wheels were inside. It just was too narrow. But we'll see if we can get a shot of it here and turn it around. The door does clear on these, just barely fits on here. There may be a slid to one side about a ½ inch side to side, but this welder sets up, the door does, so the door does clear to open. That was my main concern, that I would get this and have to try to shim it up. I still have to put a couple bolts. There's a hole here and a hole here I will mark and put 2 bolts. I don't know if there's anything on the other side. You'd have to take the cabinet apart. Oop, won't drop that. There you go. Here's where the bottle goes. We can roll out a little ways here. We're kind of concerned the bottle we plan on getting a small bottle, so I would be concerned that a big bottle would be up here too far, so we will measure this. We can't have a bottle too big on this cart. We plan on just getting the small one to start out, or one that's 3 foot. I should be prepared. I'll bring my yardstick over here. I don't know if they are about 3 foot, the small ones. Hopefully they're smaller. So I will have this measured when I go to the welding supply. It's either going to be a small one or something that does not come up near here, anywhere near the cord or anything. So to be safe, I would say we need something maybe 26, 27 inches total. Of course, your bottleneck's in where the top of it goes, so we won't be counting the valve. But there you go. I have some pictures of how I did the cart. I just got a carriage bolt in each side. Like I said, there's 2 bolt holes over is good enough. I don't know if anybody ever want to take their welder apart to try to put 4 in there. It's a lot better, even on this bumpy floor. This floor is uneven. That's what they give you for hangers. And we'll call this video good. Like I said, we got some pictures of how we did that cart. We sprayed it with some flat black paint so it's not wood. I'm not worrying about any welding hazard or anything. This will probably roll to the door when I weld outside, and the machine will always set inside the shed. So we're not worrying about any sparks getting on the wood. So thanks for watching. We'll give you some photos here.